Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to optimize your drives in order for them to work smoothly and very fast when it comes to running. To optimize the drives, it's very easy and simple. Just open any folder, or you can just open your file explorer, or you can go to open this PC just in order for you to have access to your drive, whatever drive which is slotted on your PC. So as I've opened this PC, now you can see I have my drives here, right? So you just stand on any of your drives, and right click and go to properties. Now under properties you go to tools, right? So you can see we have it here. Now we have it here, optimize and defragment the drive. Just click on the optimize. So click on the optimize, right? So as you click on optimize, it's going to list all the drives which are plugged or linked to the PC. Now you can see here that I have my drive here. It's a solid state drive, and then this one is a pen drive, as you can see on this PC, right? So for the external, because it's an external drive as USB, it can be optimized, so we don't bother with that, right? So now let's optimize this drive, and then as you can see, this is the solid state drive. Select that drive or any of the drive that you have slotted. You can just select that drive. Now click on optimize, right? So as you can see, it is done now, and as you can see, it says that 0 days since last retrim, right? So meaning it has just been optimized like that, and it's going to make your drive to work smoothly and easy, right? Now another thing you can do is that you can schedule the optimizing. Just schedule it to be doing regularly as time goes on. So this is the scheduling optimization. So you can just click on change settings and then change it to your preferred day, whether daily, weekly or monthly. So once you just preferred, so I can just click on daily and then click on OK. Now you can see that it's now set as that. So if I go there, you can see that you see it here, and you can see frequency daily. So that is just how easy and simple it is to optimize your SSD drives. So if you have any drive which is connected to your PC, this is just the easy way to optimize them. If this video was helpful to you in any way, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.